welcome to our channel How's the Rest Cooking. Today we are going to make a Subway sandwich, that too in just 2 minutes. For that, we first have to buy a Subway bread which is now easily available thanks to English Oven. So first we are going to take the top part of the sandwich, put some cheese slices onto that and toast it for exactly 15 seconds. Now we are going to take the base layer of the bread and add some lettuce, sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, roughly chopped onions and capsicum, and then we are going to add a few sauces. First I'm going to take the mayonnaise, Southwest, some mint mayonnaise, a hint of honey mustard sauce, sweet chili sauce, sweet onion sauce, and a little bit of barbecue sauce. If you want to give it an Indian touch, you can also add any type of Szechuan sauce, which is completely optional. Also paneer or corn and peas or anything of your choice. Since I don't like it, I'm not going to add this to my sandwich. I'm now going to add some sliced olives to the sandwich, some salt and pepper, and we are now going to cover it with the top part of the sandwich. And there it is, our Subway sandwich in exactly 2 minutes. I hope you will like our recipe and try it real soon.